This is the unboxing video of a new package I got from Amazon.
Which you don't know what
This is the package which I received after going through a lot of troubles. Let's see what it is. This came day before yesterday, but couldn't reach my hands due to some confusion at my place. Okay, what is it? Hey, it's a new mobile phone.
Desire.
HTC Desire. Let's see what it has got. It has a vivid visual experience on the large 3.7-inch display, and it has 1 GHz processor, Android with HTC Sense, 512 MB ROM and 576 MB RAM, and it has a 3.5 mm stereo audio jack, 5 megapixel camera with autofocus, and a micro SD slot.
सिम है क्या?
बोल and nothing else apart from this. There are few, you can say, air packets just to prevent this box from any shocks during transit.
Next box, open next box.
So let's open it. This is the phone. It's a brown colored one. There are two color options, brown and black. I've opted for the brown one.
Good choice.
So let's see where the battery goes. I think I'll have to look into the manual how to open the battery cover. There's 1 year limited warranty, purchased from Amazon, and we have a travel adapter with it as well. I was looking for it over the past 1 month. I mean, I had to separately purchase it. If I would have bought the phone initially itself, then I wouldn't have required to purchase this thing. And there is a plug for European countries as well. And what else? This is not sure what exactly this thing is. And then there is earphones and the charging. Okay, the USB charger. So let's see how to open this thing. Quick start guide. Good. Lift the top of the back cover is an arrow opener. Okay, so let's open it.
अरे अनबॉक्सिंग शुरू होकर डिसेक्शन में जा रहा है.
ऑन करके तो दिखा नहीं.
बिना सिम के ऑन होगा क्या?
हम्म.
Okay. So here goes the battery and the car. And let's power it up. Let's set the time. Okay, let's choose the language. English United States का option नहीं है. Okay, let's select our language. It's okay, English United Kingdom. Alright, these are all the instructions how to do stuff. Okay. Okay, these are all the Wi-Fi networks which are available at this place. Let's add the Wi-Fi network at my place. It's connecting, and I think it's connected now. Let's try. I think let's stop it.
समाप्त कर दे.
So we have looked at all the things, the earphones, the charging. This is an adapter for US, this is an adapter for UK, this is an adapter for UK, and there are certain manuals which I'll read when I'll have time, and this is a warranty card,
फोन.
and finally this is the main thing.
होम पेज दिखा.
A lot of settings need to be done before I can fully utilize the power of this device. Okay.
Although US faithfully thanking you.